So that mind-body connection is not only going to help you feel yourself and be more aware of who you are and how you may react in certain environments, but it's also going to help you outside of the gym, and it's going to make your life a little bit better because, of course, you'll be able to temper your emotions and temper your reactions to specific situations. Hey, it's me, Jerry Washington, the General. I am the main contributor here to this page, as well as the founder of this company, General Fitness Company. And today I wanted to drop a personal message about why I love to exercise, as well as how you can love it too. Now, when I think about exercise for myself, it's like a ritualistic practice in which I show love and take care of myself. Now, when a lot of people think about taking care of themselves, they think about treating themselves. Now, while I think it's very important for all of us to treat ourselves, I think it's more important for us to think about it as someone that we love, right? So think about someone, anyone that you love or are taking care of. Would you just let them do whatever they wanted? Of course you wouldn't. You'd want them to do whatever they can to make their lives better, which means progress. So if you think about it that way, you are a community of yous, one that existed in the past as well as will exist hopefully into the future. So to continue that existence, you're going to have to take care of yourself, right? And the best way to take care of yourself is through progress. If you're taking care of yourself properly, you will be progressing. You will be a better person today than you were yesterday. Now, a lot of times when it comes to progress, a lot of people think about doing it and taking shortcuts, but consistency, I think, is the main factor for all of us. Not only because it leads us to better results, but because it helps us avoid those shortcuts that lead us down dangerous paths that we may not be able to return. So listen, as I said, it's important for us to take care of ourselves and love ourselves and be consistent, because that consistency can lead you to getting to know yourself. See, when you fall in love with the results, you actually take out that step in which you get to know yourself and be one with yourself on a daily basis or a consistent basis. If you think about it, you are not only just moving your body, but you're thinking, you're getting in touch with your body, and you're creating that mind body connection. So that mind body connection is not only going to help you feel yourself and be more aware of who you are and how you may react in certain environments, but it's also going to help you outside of the gym, and it's going to make your life a little bit better because, of course, you'll be able to temper your emotions and temper your reactions to specific situations. So training and exercising, of course, is great for your body, as we know, but it's also a great way to help improve your life because you'll be able to deal with stressors a lot better. So as I said, we have a lot of things in this world. We have stressors. We have a lot of things that are distractions. So another thing to just think about is that with those distractions, it is utterly important for us to take care of ourselves and think about who we are and what we actually mean to ourselves and what we mean to other people, right? So you can only get that by knowing who you are. So exercising every day is absolutely important to get to that. Now, one last thing here about why I love to train, and it's a little silly, but everybody has a little bit of a vain or a silly reason why they love to train. Mine is not so vain, but it's more so the fact that I just love to sweat. I love the feeling of challenging myself and working out and sweating out the bad and in a way, and drinking in the good with every hydration break. So these are my reasons for working out. As I said, I love to sweat. I love that feeling of sweating and working. I love the fact that you can get in touch with yourself and you can get stronger not only in your body, but also in your reactions and your awareness in the environment. I love that fact that you can be consistent, and it teaches you something about just doing something every day and getting those results that you may desire, but falling in love with that process. And of course, just doing those things that are just going to show yourself that you love yourself, because the more you can love yourself and the more you feel loved by your own self, the more you're going to be able to explore your world and do more with it. So as I said, those are my reasons for training. If you have reasons that you love to train, I would love for you to put them down below in the comment section. Of course, if you have any questions also, you can put those down below as well. I have plenty of people that I'm sure are curious as to why other people want to train and what makes them love training. So I highly encourage you to put those comments down below. Of course, I would love for you to continue watching us here. So if you click on that subscribe button down below, you'll be notified when the next video comes out. All right, that does it for this video. I do appreciate you watching. Take care of yourself, and as always, keep good company.
Wow! I like it. That was cool.
Awesome. Hey, thanks.